Hi Fauhowers, in this video I'm going to show you how to duet on TikTok. This video is very useful for you who wants to find the step how to duet on TikTok. For the first, make sure that your phone has been connected to the internet. Once your phone has been connected to the internet, let's go to the tutorial. Just open TikTok app. After opening TikTok app, you can find the video you want to duet. For example, I want to duet with this video. Just tap share button. Oh, apparently this video cannot be duet because the user of this video disabled the duet feature. Okay, we will find another video. Let's see, I want to duet with this video. Just tap share icon. And you can see here that there is duet button. It means that this user didn't disable duet feature. If you want to duet with this video, just tap duet icon. Okay, this is the duet feature. You can add some filters, some beauty, timer, layout, or mic. You can set here. For example, I want to add some filters. Some filters here. Okay, like this. I will use this filter. Okay. After setting up your filters, your beauty, and another, you can just record the video. I want to record this video by tapping the red button. Okay, now the camera is recording. You can make your duet video here. You can see on the top there is blue progress line running. And the video recording has been finished. You can add some effect here. Like this. Glitch, zoom, gold powder, leak, another visual, motion, stickers, transition, split, time, another. You also can add some text here. For example, I want to add duet text here. You also can add some stickers, like this. I want to add this sticker. And after finishing your edit, you can tap next. Then you can see here, duet with the user. And you can add some description here, description here. And then you can also give some hashtags. And also you can mention someone here. You also can add location of this video made, maybe. And you can also add some links here. And also you can set who can watch this video. Is video for everyone, for your friends, or for you only. And also you can set, can anyone give comment to your videos or not? I will allow everyone to comment to my video. And there are more options here. And there are some options here. Do you allow everyone duet this video? Do you allow everyone stitch this video? And more options like this. If you want to save this video to your device, you can just save to device. And if you don't want to save this video to your device, your phone, just make it disable like this. Okay. And also you can share this video to WhatsApp, Instagram, and also Facebook. You are also given two options to make this video draft or post this video. I want to post this video. We will wait, the duet video is still being processed. And now the video has been uploaded. This is my duet video. I hope this tutorial is very useful and helps you in making duet video. If you like this video, just click like or thumbs up. If you have any question about how to make duet video on TikTok, you can just give your comments below and I'll be very happy to answer your questions. Don't forget to subscribe to this Fauhow channel and also turn on notification. Just tap bell icon. So if I upload new video about social media tutorial, you will be the first person I notify and you will be able to watch my latest video. Thank you.